Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to download and install Discord on your PC or laptop. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. And then go to search bar and search for Discord. Now go to discord.com. Click on the download menu. Scroll down and you will see download button. Click on it, and then go to the download page, and wait until download finished. After downloading, double-click on it. It will start downloading updates and install, so wait here for a few minutes until the processing is complete. After completing the processing, you will see like this interface. Now you can sign in with your account, or if you don't already have one, then you can register. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.